Guys, welcome back to MegOland. If you're new here, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your push notifications so you get notified every time we upload a video. It's a little date. We're actually in Jersey City. We're about to go into the mall. This morning was just gonna be we go to Brooklyn thing because we were gonna see old friend. We just went, we hung out, and here's a clip of us on the train. We have the day off, and it's like, what do we do? We're at the mall.
Yeah, we'll see you guys around.
Yeah, we'll show you our food.
We're just hungry right now.
We're really hungry, so
See you guys later. Cheeseburger dumplings.
there's a cheeseburger dumplings,
Chicken pot stickers.
chicken pot stickers,
Chicken samosas.
chicken samosas,
Korean fried cauliflower.
and Korean fried cauliflower, and that's just the free bread they give us. Yeah. Alright, it's always so awkward when we go into stores. So it's like we can't always bring out a camera and just be like, yeah, we're vlogging.
Yeah, no, yeah. I still get awkward with vlogging.
We went to the body shop.
Went to Zoomies.
We went to Zoomies. But yeah, we're gonna be hopping on
PATH train back home.
the PATH train back home.
This is the random goose.
Like, where are we? Look.
There's a goose. Look at this.
We'll be getting ready for wrestling. We got from like sneakers, clothing,
Stickers.
we got a whole bunch of stickers, we got a lot of bath and body wear candles, we got face wash, body wash.
Yeah, a lot of stuff. That all looks really, really cool. Can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
Let's see how I look it.
Yeah. Bye.
Later.
So we just got off the path.
But we're actually gonna split up after.
Yeah, we're gonna split up. I thought we would be able to go home and just show what we have. So unfortunately our camera died. What we tried to say was we thought we had enough time to come back home. We could have gave like a little fashion show because we mostly bought him clothes, and we can't show it because he had to get ready and go to wrestling, and we didn't have time. So I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn your push notification on so you get notified every time we upload a video. Thank you for watching.